Good morning, my beautiful people. So y'all, today I just randomly decided that we're gonna vlog, and I'm also giving you guys a little mini maintenance. Is my brake still on? It's raining outside. I'm gonna run to the gym, just like I have a gym workout in before I start my day, because I plan on getting me a wax today. Plan on getting me my hair done today. I should have got my brows done yesterday, but we're gonna get my brows done maybe tomorrow. I wish my wax lady knew how to do brows.
This can be there to valet cars, but it's like
you be trying to get people to benefit. So hey y'all, I look crazy. Don't mind the wig slipping. I look all over the place, but y'all clearly see I just left the gym. I'm trying to rush, make it to my wax appointment on time. I know I just did everything last minute. You know, sometimes you just jump up and you be like, dang, my wig slipping, my coochie hairy, my underarms bushy. You know what I'm saying? It just kind of crept up on me. You know what I'm saying? I was trying to wait till Valentine's Day, do all of that fresh. But it's like, I need me something in between time, because that's literally like 3 weeks from now. I need something in between time. So the girl got to get this done. And because I want to be on the camera more often, I have to keep up with my hair. Yeah, it's so foggy outside. I kind of like how it looks. It give me like very much, what's that TV show? Yeah, I'm on the way to get to the house, try to shower real quick, pack my bag for my hair appointment. My wig is literally slip. When I say slip, I mean she's off me. She's off my head at this point. And I had a good workout in, as y'all can see. I'm gonna give y'all a little mini part of my workout. Well, I should have gave y'all like a little mini part of what I work out, because I am filming a week of workouts, what I do. And I kind of want to show you, like, Monday I did this, Tuesday I did this, Wednesday I did that, I missed a day on this day. Like, I wanted to be realistic, so I kind of want to put in all the information, all what I'm doing. So, yeah, I want to get a full detail. But y'all know I went to the gym today. So y'all, I'm getting last minute phone calls from clients. 4 p.m. Let me just put her name in. Okay. So literally, I booked her for Friday at 4. She said at 4. I be having to take phone calls, do this, do that, multitask, my car dirty. I'm leaving y'all in here. I can't. Everybody leave me. Oh, I turned my car on by accident. Bye. I see y'all when I get my wax. I almost didn't make it, y'all. I made me a fruit bowl last night, so in the morning time I can have me something to eat or like snack on. So inside my fruit bowl is dragon fruit, strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries. Y'all see what it looks like? Can y'all see? It's literally so foggy outside. Y'all can see it low key a little bit. So I was like, I'm gonna get my wax and I'm gonna get my hair done. I'm gonna see if I can get my eyebrows done. Cause this will be my last maintenance until Valentine's Day.
That's not easy.
Whole bag, I'll just eat. And my people, like my boyfriend could notice my titties getting so small. Booty exercises.
Yes.
But before I wasn't as much.
Okay, that's what.
So do what we can do while we're here, baby. Get some content. This wig staying on the whole time?
Yep.
So you like the glue?
Yep. I literally just went to the gym.
So them hoes be lying if they be trying to say their wig's coming off.
So let's get straight into unboxing. This is the package of the ELFIN hair package. My hair came in like this cute curl pattern. Real bouncy, real flowy. Had a nice shine to it too. Also, I did get my hair installed. I've been loving getting my hair installed. I just love the pamper feeling. But it did come with lashes, an edge brush. Also, your girl got her hair washed. So Michaela decided to wash my hair because she was so nice. And y'all been having these freaking braids in for like months. So it just really needed some TLC. So I got my hair washed, braided, and, you know, straight into some braids. Now I'm putting the wig cap on. Well, she's putting the wig cap on and just gluing my hair down, just making sure everything is flat. We was also trying to make some content as well. So that's why you guys see the little mics. But y'all, this install from ELFIN hair just came out really good, really cute. And I just really love the two braids. When you have curly hair, I just feel like it's destined. Like you have to style it. But I'm about to let y'all listen to music and just watch the install. Good morning. It actually is morning today. Good morning, y'all. I woke up at mommy's house. We know. Girl, what are you honking at me for? What are you honking at me for? I'm still on the road to do my maintenance, but I won't be able to do a maintenance day today because tomorrow, everybody's calling me like, hey, can I get an appointment for you here? Hey. So, I'm on the way to work, and I have 3 clients. I'm supposed to have 4, but of course, a no-show. I'm trying to see my skincare routine I'm about to post on my Instagram and on Reels. Whatever. I'm on the way to Starbucks. I swear, y'all, I'm not spending my own money. Instead of using to pay for my Starbucks. Not that it's any of y'all business anyways. Like, I'm not a coffee shop type of girl. I don't know no coffee shops. I live in the hood. Now what? If you think I'm going to Buckhead, you're crazy. You're absolutely bonkers. I'm not doing it. So, and Dunkin', they don't make my matcha the way I like it, so I would leave me alone.